So we use a lot of images on mkdev. Our team prepares illustrations for all of our blog posts, for the social media, for different parts of our website, explaining which services we provide, which products we offer, which free online courses, etc., etc. And in total, we have probably more than 1,000 of different images on the website. And the thing with the images on the website is that ideally they should have an alt text description. And alt text description is basically, you need it for two things. First, it's good for accessibility. And the second part is this text is used by search engines to understand as well what's on the image, and writing down these descriptions by hand is a lot of work, right? You just basically need to go one by one and just look at the image and think what's on this image and write a good description. So of course we didn't want to do it manually because that would be like the tens and tens of hours of work of our team, and instead we used AI. You might know that GPT or OpenAI, they not only have large language models, but they have also different models for working with the audio and images, and also soon with the videos. And one of the models they have is called GPT-4 Vision, which is basically a model that understands the contents of the images and then it can describe it to you. So guess what? We basically adjusted our website code to send all of the images that we upload to OpenAI, and with the GPT-4 Vision to just get a description of what's on the image. That was surprisingly cheap, first of all. I think in total we paid maybe like $6 to $10 for all of it, so for all the descriptions. And the only issue we had is the rate limiting. So basically OpenAI has like a limit of how many requests you can send to the GPT-4 Vision model. And by the way, it's called GPT-4 Vision Preview, so it's not like fully released. Be careful with this. But in the end, because we had a queue processing these jobs, we could just wait and retry, and just basically DDoS OpenAI a bit till we process everything, because OpenAI does not really like blacklist us for retrying so often. So we just kind of waited out for probably 30 to 40 minutes, and then it was good. And another issue is that OpenAI sets a really low max tokens output. So basically, it means that when you send the image, they have like a limit of how many words they will give you back, or how many tokens they will give you back describing this image. And that's a bit of an issue, because if you want to have like 300 characters description, then it will just cut it in the middle. So we had to fix this as well, and it's just a simple API parameter. You just set like max token 300, and then it's fixed, and then you get a good complete descriptions that are not cut halfway through. And that's it. So it's actually pretty simple. It's one of the use cases where you can just use AI to really save lots of hours of manual work. And the result is great. You can go to our website and then just explore the source code of the page and see what AI generated for us. In 99.9% of cases, it's actually pretty good. Probably even better than if human would try to do the same. And it's really cheap. At least at our scale, 1,000 plus images plus new images every week, because we post new articles all the time. Another thing that allowed us to do it really simply was our serverless infrastructure that we have on mkdev. And there is another article that we have describing how exactly we process all these background jobs with Lambda and SQS on AWS, and why do we do it with Lambda. And in terms of this topic with the GPT Vision for images, we also have a lengthy article on our website describing all of what I said in details with the source code examples, explaining how we did it in Ruby, but you can also apply it to Python or any other language and do it for your application. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the like button, and don't miss new videos. Thanks for watching.
There are no challenges that we couldn't overcome. Whether it is immediate infrastructure problems or planning a future project, we won't simply answer your questions. We become a part of your team to help you complete the mission. Our solutions consider the interests of your business and the combined expertise of the industry, as our staff is made up of more than a dozen experts in different areas who share decades of field-tested experience and knowledge with you.